Okay? So, the knowledge of the use of the organ clock gives us the possibility of using the magic of acupuncture to relieve the pain with a wave of a wand. Saglit lang. Let me share with you the great secrets of Chinese acupuncture. It will surely give both you and your patients great pleasure. Okay, tingnan nga natin. Let us draw the organ clock like the Great Wall of China. Okay? From the lungs, large intestine. So, follow lang po ng arrow. Large intestine, stomach to spleen, to heart, small intestine, to urinary bladder, to kidney, pericardium, triple warmer, gallbladder, and the liver. Okay? We can use one-point therapy when we wish to sedate a meridian quickly in order to produce pain relief. Remember po. So, ano nga pala yung mga question? How quickly can we produce pain relief? Oh, it's about 2 minutes or half of 2 minutes. Yes. We always select more distal points to achieve this sedation. The reason for this is that when we use local points, there is an increase in the local blood and energy flow. Although this is beneficial in the long run for healing of the local problem, nagkakaroon ng inflammation of the tissue. It is better to finish with pulling energy away from the pain area, and the dispersion of the congested energy will make the pain and movement easier. Okay? So, to decide where to use this distal point, use this immensely helpful chart. Screenshot po natin. Andiyan na, binigay na yung point. Okay? So, dito sa, sa column, yung sa first column is the symptom, and then the affected meridian, then the treated meridian, and the point. Okay? Sa facial pain, affected meridian is the gallbladder. Treated meridian is the triple warmer or yung pagka-yang angkos. Okay? Point is triple warmer 6. Okay? Headache and neck pain, affected meridian, large intestine and stomach. So, treated meridian is stomach and large intestine. Point, stomach 44 and LI4. Okay? Sa headache, gallbladder is the affected meridian. Treated meridian is liver. Kapag yin ang dahilan. And then the point is liver 2. Okay? Sa shoulder or arm, affected meridian is large intestine. The treated meridian is stomach. And the point is stomach 38. Okay? Pain, affected meridian is triple warmer or small intestine. Untreated meridian can be gallbladder and urinary bladder. And the point use G34 and UB58. Okay? Sa backache or sciatica, affected meridian is urinary bladder. Both yan sa sciatic. And the treated meridian is small intestine, which kapag yang ang dahilan, and kidney if ang dahilan ay yin. Okay? Sa SI7 and kidney 5 ang point na gagamitin. Sa pain in hypochondrium, ang affected meridian is gallbladder. Treated meridian is triple warmer if the cause is yang, and liver if the cause is yin. So points to use, triple warmer 8 and liver 2. Okay? Pain in the legs, affected meridian is stomach. Treated meridian is large intestine. Point to use is LI10. Okay? Hip or knee, affected meridian is gallbladder, can be urinary bladder, or spleen or liver. So, select na lang po kayo. And the treated meridian, sa gallbladder, triple warmer 5 ang point. Sa urinary bladder, small intestine yung meridian. SI7 ang point. Sa spleen, lungs po ang gagamitin ng sa treated meridian, lung 6. And the liver, pericardium 6, PC7. Okay? So, sa pain, sa paa or ankle, the affected meridian is the kidney, and the treated meridian is pericardium. So, the point you're going to use is pericardium 7.